Definitely to the aging research, to research into the mechanisms of aging, fundamental mechanisms that get our bodies to deteriorate with time, and also to establishing a very thoughtful, comprehensive set of asymmetric, systemic approaches, how we can actually do that. So part of that, well, of that money on that blank check, that might go to creating a roadmap, or maybe a set of roadmaps how to defeat this problem, because aging causes all the diseases that we die of. And once we fix this cause, this problem, then we would get rid of all the consequences, which I believe is a great thing to do.